好, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Susie the Phoenix. This is a Beginner's Chinese series, Lesson 3, Part 2, Countries and Nationalities. We are going to use the keywords we learned from previous session and form some sentences. 是 is to be. Is all the words in English to be. So be am, is, are, was, were. Okay. In Chinese it doesn't change whether it's past or present. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9是我是中国人我是中国人他是英国人他是英国人我是美国人我是美国人他是英国人他是英国人 Now can you pause and see if you can say these two sentences in Chinese? Okay, I'm American. 我是美国人 He is French. 他是法国人 Now see if you can pause and read this in Chinese. Okay. 我是中国人他是法国人他是美国人我是英国人 Now is 不是 It isn't or aren't depends on the subject. Can you see the 不 on its own is not with the fourth accent. This is its original pronunciation 不 But when you come with the fourth accent, 是 together is very hard to pronounce. If the 不是 is very hard. So you change into the second is easy to pronounce. 不是 So when it's 4 and 4 intonation together, the first one drop to second. 不是 isn't. Now see if you can listen to the next 4 sentences. See if you understand. 我不是中国人他不是法国人我不是英国人他不是美国人 Okay, now see if you can pause and read this in Chinese. Okay. Now see if you can try say this in Chinese all by yourself. Okay, this is my version. 你好，我叫 Susie， 我是中国人。他叫大卫，他不是美国人，他是英国人。哪 is which country? Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10哪你是哪国人 Literally means you are which country person. So what nationality are you? Or where do you come from? 我是中国人 The Chinese question answer match quite nicely, but translation in English might not. Okay. 你是哪国人？我是中国人。Can you see the question form and the answer statement form? They follow the same format. So one of the rules of Chinese grammar is the question and the statement follow the same rule. The question words is where the answer is. 他是哪国人？他是法国人。 Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and press the bell for notifications. If you have any questions, I will happily answer them in the comment below. See you next time.